Hi, I am Priyanshi, born and raised in Haryana, currently pursuing PGDM in Big Data Analytics from Goa Institute of Management. I hold a bachelor's degree in computer science from during which I got the opportunity to intern with Philips as a software developer intern. As per my leadership experiences, I led a team of 200 individuals where I served as vice president for the techno-cultural club of my college. Now here at PG as well, I am a part of junior core committee member in I3 club where we onboard live projects for our students and bridge the gap between their academics and the corporate world. So now coming here, EcoHire. Imagine this, you are a recruiter, you have two resumes in front of you. Both candidates have identical skills, education, and experience, but which one has the best experience to lead, best confidence to lead, the adaptability to thrive, the emotional intelligence to fit in your team? This is the hiring dilemma businesses face every day. Resumes don't reveal personality, they are filled with bias and guesswork. The cost of a bad hire? Staggering. Now, what if I told you that hiring decisions could be backed by AI? What if voice alone could reveal insights beyond words on paper? Let's face it, hiring today is broken. Studies show that 80% of hiring failures happen due to poor soft skills and cultural misfit. Recruiters spend hours conducting interviews, yet decisions are still based on intuition rather than the data. Traditional hiring methods struggle to measure confidence, emotional intelligence, and authenticity. And here is the worst part, bias creeps in. Unconscious decisions based on accents, speaking styles, and first impression lead to the missed talent. Here comes the game changer, Eco Hire. It's not just a tool, it's a revolution in hiring. EcoHire analyzes voice patterns to assess a candidate's confidence, communication skills, and emotional intelligence in real time. It has AI powered voice profiling, it has bias free hiring, and instant personality insights, which helps recruiters make informed decisions. With EcoHire, you don't just hear candidates, you understand them. Here is how it works. A candidate speaks and our AI listens, not just to the words, how they are spoken. It detects micro expressions in speech, analyzing factors like tone, hesitation, and confidence levels. Confidence score is the candidate poised under pressure. Emotional intelligence, do they express adaptability and empathy? Authenticity are the deception cues in speech patterns. And the best part, EcoHire integrates seamlessly into existing ATS and hiring workflows. It's AI driven yet completely human focused. So, why this matter for businesses? EcoHire isn't just for hiring. It's about hiring smarter. Reduced hiring time, lower hiring cost, diversity and inclusion, data driven hiring, make decisions based on science but not the gut feeling. So companies using AI in hiring have seen a 40% drop in mishires. The numbers speak for themselves. Now let's talk about the results. One of our clients, a fast growing tech company, struggled with high turnover due to the poor cultural fit. After integrating EcoHire, they saw a 30% improvement in employee retention and reducing hiring bias significantly. And here is what recruiters are saying. Eco hiring helps us identify high potential candidates, which would be overlooked. We are making fairer, smarter hires faster than ever before. This is not the future of hiring, this is happening now. Yes. So hiring is involving AI isn't replacing recruiters, it's making them super recruiters. EcoHire enhances hiring decisions by bringing science into the art of recruitment. So, if you want to build a team, confident, capable, and cultural fit individuals, EcoHire is your answer. We are here to ensure that the right voices get heard. So, are you ready to hire smarter? Let's take your hiring process to the next level. Let's build teams that don't just work but thrive. EcoHire is here to help you find the right people with the right voices at the right time. Let's talk, let's hire better, let's EcoHire. Thank you.